Hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chimper Marsagarin Channel. Faith Healer, also Mata Reader. So ngayong hapon, natutugyan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kano naman kaya ang energy or kagalapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-escape ng ads na way pagpalain kayo na Diyos at may kapasiksik diglig nag-uumapaw man ang balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dalata na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Okay guys, umpisahan ng bulabog. Angel Spirit Guides. Okay. My goodness. There is a King of Pentacles. Security about sa finances na maging practical. Kung baga sinasabi dito, kailangan maging wais ka sa paggamit ng pera o salapi. At the same time, there's a Five of Swords kasi nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, nagiging padalos-dalos ka sa paggastos or either nagiging magastos ka talaga, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. Kumbaga, lagi makikinig sa intuitions mo, ha? And of course, there is a Ten of Swords in, kumbaga, in reverse. Ibig sabihin dito, natapos na yung betrayal, natapos na yung deception, natapos na yung backstabbing on you, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, trabaho, hanap buhay, negosyo, no? Maaaring magkakaroon ka ng pasabog dito. Oh my God! There's a Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, some of you, there's a conflict pagdating sa trabaho, no? Okay. There's a conflict daw, ha? And of course, competitor. Marami kang kalaban sa, or kompetensya sa trabaho mo. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. Slow and steady. Ito yung sinasabi ko, kailangan maging mahinahon, no? Huwag maging padalos-dalos. So, what is the Five of Swords? There is a Knight of Cups. There is an offer. Ito yung offer na sinasabi sa'yo, mag-iingat ka, no? Re-evaluate or analyze before you think. Before you click, just think, no? What is the Page of Cups? Page of Cups represent the Ten of Pentacles. Wow! Pakinig ka sa intuition mo. There's a long-term success and long-term investment. No, mayroon dito pang matagalang eksena. So, what is the Ten of Swords in reverse? Makaka-recover ka na from the pain. So, of course, there's a Seven of Wands. So, nagkaroon ng betrayal, nagkaroon ng cheating line on you, no? At the same time, there's some Queen of Swords na unawaan mo at nalaman mo na itong tao na to gumagawa sa akin ng hindi alam mo, parang ginisa yung sarili mo sa sarili mo mantika, parang ganon. Parang ngayon na naunawaan mo na, natuklasan mo na, diba? Because there's a Three of Wands, a Three of Pentacles, there's a Two of Swords, there's a decision na kailangan mo mag-decision pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho mo. So, what is the Five of Wands? Ano tong conflict na to? And of course, there's a Four of Pentacles. Conflict, no? Budgeting, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, nagkakaroon ng, kumbaga, paglabas ng pera na wala sa wish or wala sa lugar, no? Kumbaga, nagiging magastos ka dito. So, what is the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands? And of course, there's a Justice card. So, ibig sabihin dito, slow and steady, no? At the end of the time, magkakaroon ka ng balance. And of course, justice will serve. So, what is the Five of Swords and the Knight of Cups? And of course, there's a Temperance, a perfect timing, no? And of course, there's a divine timing. May mga bagay na kailangan mong mag-antay, no? Hindi mo kailangan maging padalos-dalos. O hindi mo kagad sunggaban yung isang opportunity na yan na alam mong walang kasiguraduhan. So, sinasabi ng Temperance is a perfect timing for you. So, what is the Page of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles? And of course, guys, there's an Hermit card. There's a soul searching, no? Kumbaga, makinig ka sa intuition mo nung kung paano mo pangahawakan ng itong business or negosyo mo. Kasi there's a long-term success and long-term investment na pangmatagalan talaga. Now, what is the Ten of Swords in reverse? And of course, the Seven of Swords and of course, the Queen of Swords. There's a lot of swords. Because there is a higher pan, a lesson learned. Matuto ka na, no? Na kumbaga sinasabi sa dito, mag-ingat ka na sa mga nagbibetray, sa mga sinungaling, sa mga manloloko, behind the scenes. So, ibig sabihin dito, nasa cycle talaga na, kumbaga lapitin ka ng mga manloloko, no? Matuto ka na. There's an education. So, what is the Three of Pentacles and of course the Two of Swords? And of course, guys, there's Nine of Pentacles sa blossoming abundance. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga lalago na, no? Lalago or yayabong ang negosyo, hanap buhay mo. Pero, you need to take an action. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na indecisions, no? So, what is the Five of Wands and of course, the Four of Pentacles? And of course, guys, there's a Knight of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a security about sa finances. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, i-secure mo ng maayos ang iyong protect your power, protect your energy, protectionan mo ang finances mo. Kumbaga, there's a conflict eh. Ibig sabihin dito, maraming kompetensya or maraming taong gusto ka babagsakin either, diba? Let's see what is the meaning of this. Kung paano ko siya may i-elaborate. There's a Seven of Cups, no? Maraming oportunidad, maraming eksena na magdadala sa'yo ng stress, no? Or some of you nagkakaroon ka ng stress or anxieties or depressions. At the same time, there's a Three of Swords. Meron ditong betrayal or may lihim na may inggit sa'yo, no? In all aspects, maraming ganap dito na, kumbaga, maraming pinanguhugutan, no? Ng inggit at galit sa'yo, no? Some of you, there's a fear na, kumbaga, natatakot ka sa mga possibilities. Kumbaga, or may some of you guys, may gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights, no? Some of you, nagigising ka some of nowhere, alas 2, alas 3 sa madaling araw. Kumbaga, and of course, may mga nararamdaman ka din, no? Kumbaga, the Three of Swords is a betrayal or something hurting, no? Kumbaga, may taong may gumagawa sa'yo at kapag madaling maaraw, parang sinusumpong ka ng ganitong sakit, ganyan. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, you need to take an action for this. The Seven of Cups na maraming ganap sa'yo na ginawa, no? In all aspects. So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome dito, guys, there's a Six of Wands. There's a victory. Huwag ka mag-alala kasi magtatagumpay ka rin dito. At the same time, there's a Page of Wands, a good news. May magandang balita dito, no? May magandang balita, and of course, the Ace of Wands, a new beginning coming in for you. No, abot kamay mo na at maaring malasap mo na yung mga bagay-bagay na gusto mong makuha. And of course, there's a magician, no? Kumaga may involved dito na magician, either, no? Kumaga may taong may involved dito na about sa spiritual. And of course, there's a King of Wands, there's control, no? Kailangan mong kontrolin tong bagong simula at bagong pagkakataon. And of course, there's a new phase and new horizontal coming in for you. So, umpisa na natin for Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? And of course, there is the Chaser, no? Maaring, there's an abandonment issue, no? May mga bagay na natatakot kang mapag-iwanan, natatakot ka ma-reject, no? And of course, there's a stab in the back, I told you, no? May traidor, no? May taong gusto kang atakihin behind your back. At the same time, there's a heart with a key, no? Parang may, nalaman mo na yung susi sa lahat ng katanungan, sa lahat ng mga problema pinagdadaanan mo, no? Alam mo na yung magiging solusyon. So, let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. Yin and Yang Oracle card, there's an abundance, present. So, ipapakita sa'yo ang magandang bukas na nakalaan para sa'yo. Because there's a regret, no? May mga bagay na parang pinagsisisihan mo, no? At may mga bagay na pinanghihinayangan mo. And of course, there's an integrations, there's a union, no? Meron ditong pagbabalikan or something na reconciliation, no? So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. There's an hydration. So, some of you parang huhaw ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Marami kasing factor na pinanggagaling or aspect na pinanggagalingan ng hydrations, no? Kumbaga, uhaw ka sa kaalaman, or uhaw ka sa pag-ibig, or uhaw ka sa kayamanan, o uhaw ka literal, no? Maaring kulang ka sa tubig. And of course, Jesus' loving quote said, sinasabi dito, the Comforter, which is the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send in my name, He shall teach you all things. Ibig sabihin dito, may taong bibigyan ng instrumento sa'yo, no? Para matutunan at malaman mo yung bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa paligid mo. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay or signs or synchronicities na nangyayari sa'yo from the past na nagbigay sa'yo ng lesson, pero until now, wala ka pa rin nalalaman or progress. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, etong bagong instrumento na binigay sa'yo ni God na para mauna naunawaan mo ang nangyayari behind your back, about sa backstabbing, about sa betrayal, about sa spirituality, no? Kumbaga, ginawan ka ng black magic involved, hindi dahil para saktan ka lang, no? Hindi, kung gusto niya maranasan mo ang, kumbaga, mahirapan ka in all aspects. So, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. There is a blame, no? Kumbaga, wala kang ibang sisisihin kundi yung sarili mo, no? And of course, guys, there's information for relationship. So, either may involved din ang relationship dito at the same time, there's an happiness, no? Ang kaligayahan mo talaga ang nag-trigger sa kanila, no? Naiinggit to. Lakas ng eksena na naiinggit. So, what is the Romance Angels? Romance Angels represent let go of control issues, no? Kung alam mo na hindi mo control, hayaan mong dumaloy, no, sa sariling eksena, no? Hayaan mong mag-unfold into deserts into reality, no? Hayaan mo siya mangyari naturally. So what is the Moontology? Moontology represent the answer you need is coming, no? Ang kasagutan ay maaaring makamtam mo na as soon as possible. Parating na. So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, what is the messages for angel spirit guides? There's a study. See, marami kang matututunan, marami kang mararanasan, marami kang malalaman. So, what is additional energy? And of course, there's an attachment, no? Kung mawala ka sa mga maskara dito na para nagbabalat kayo, no? Pakawalan mo yung mga yan, no? At the same time, there's a second chakra Archangel Uriel about sa finances. Kung magtutulungan ka dito for finances. And of course, there's a community. No? There's a social butterfly or something na nakumukuha na information sa'yo by social media, no? Maaaring maraming nagtatanong against sa'yo, tungkol sa'yo, mga ganyan. Kumbaga, marami din nagtatanong tungkol sa negosyo mo or hanap buhay mo, no? Or either ganun. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's you're not alone, no? Kumbaga, you're feeling isolation and physical connection. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, hindi ka mag-isa, no? Maraming tumutulong din sa'yo. So, let's see what is additional messages. What is additional messages? And because there is a balance of kingdom, no? Elemental kingdom, kailangan mo maging balance, emotional and practical, and go for it. Ilaban mo, no? Yung mga bagay na gusto mong makuha. At the same time, there's a third eye clairvoyance, no? May kakayanan ka, no? Meron kang visions and intuitions. Gamitin mo yan para mas ma-enhance ang abilities mo. Either, no? Yung ang kakayanan mo. So, let's see what is a chakra. There's a gossip. Maaari pinagchichismisan ka behind your back, no? Maraming yes mo sa may. And of course, there's an enlightenment. Nagkakaroon ka na ng kaliwanagan dito, unti-unti. Additional chakra. Okay. There's a confusion. Maaaring naguguluhan ka ngayon o maaaring may nanggugulo sa'yo. No? So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is this angel's number? There's a 10. So, ibig sabihin dito, I am ingenious. You have a great leadership skill. Your mind is sharp and allow you to dream up ingenious ideas and organize all the details. Then direct others how to carry things out. Ibig sabihin dito, kaya mong pamunuan, no? At kaya mong mapasunod yung mga tao sa paligid mo. And of course, gusto mo nakaset and of course, gusto mo lahat naka-organize o nakaayos lahat, no? Kumbaga, madali kang makapag-pick up at kaya mo ring mailahad din sa mga tao sa paligid mo yung gusto mong iparating sa kanila. So, let's see what is the messages of life. There's a truth. So, ibig sabihin dito, today I discover my greatest truth is within me. This is a divine force that whispers for my inner self. I listen to the voice closely, putting aside my controlling mind. In this way, I find all the answer I am looking for. I am now in this harmony with myself, and I am welcome to the love of God, which is the truth that will guide me towards the fullest, most shining rays. Ibig sabihin nito, kumbaga, hindi mo kinokontrol yung isip mo, no? Nahayaan mo yung inner voice mo, yung magbigay sa'yo ng information. Kasi dati, kumbaga, ina-analyze mo, binivisualize mo, masyado kang, kumbaga, masyado kang paranoid, no? Kumbaga lahat ng bagay binibigyan mo ng kahulugan. So this time, kumbaga, ginagamit mo na yung puso at isip mo dun sa pagbibigay ng mga information. Kasi ang inner voice kasi, hindi lang yung isip ang binibigyan niya ng vision sa iyo, pati yung feelings, kumbaga pati sa puso, nagko-combine para mabigyan ka ng perfect information na alam na masusolusyonan mo as soon as possible yung mga problema mo. Kaya nga may red flag And of course, there is a divine intervention. May mga paalala ang angel spirit para maunawaan mo lahat ng nangyayari sa paligid mo. So guys, ito nga, the truth para mailahad ang katotohanan sa lahat ng eksena. Okay, this is a weekly gabay for the month of October 25 hanggang October 31 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. Is this as general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo, comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, guys, maraming salamat sa walang sawa pagsuporta sa akin channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng adsway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalsiksik nagdagdago umapaw na biyaya ang manambalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.